Did you guys hear that? That's right. We have scissor grinders now. The scissor grinder cicadas are finally out here. Well, the first time I heard them was yesterday, but I didn't really have time to record it. But now I do. I think I'm... And of course, since I'm recording, I'm not going to hear it anymore, probably. It sounded like it was just right over there. Let me walk around and see if I hear anything. Yep, I think it stopped calling for now. Well, at least we have scissor grinders now. That's good. I get to listen to more. Well, if I hear it again, I'll make another video, but I think I'm going to end the video here. Bye.